Here's a quick review for this Samsung standing cover with pen for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Okay, I mean, out of the box, you get the one side piece and the other side here. You get the instructions manual. You have your S Pen here. And they also included some tips too if you want to change the tip, but I'm fine with the one they already have on there. And you can see the case here. And it's kind of like a soft plastic, definitely good quality. But I mean, again, this case is not cheap. It's like $90. But let's go ahead and put this one side on first. So let me put this side on here. And then the second piece here, there's adhesive on here. You have to use the adhesive. I mean, you can put it on just like this, but the thing is it's going to keep sliding off. So you have this adhesive here on several sides. I already took some off. Took it off there, and I got another one up here, and I got another one on the bottom. So let me go ahead and pull this off. Okay, so that one was just a little piece, and you got another little piece here. Let's go ahead and take that one off as well. Okay, there we go. Okay, so a little sticky there. So let me go ahead and pop this side in now. Just going to pop it in, and once you pop it in, you want to go ahead and give it a little push here, so make sure it sticks on there. And there you go. So you can see how the case looks. Now this is cool, okay? So you have a little kickstand here. So you can go ahead and, you know, you can put it like this. You can even do it like this as well. Also, what I like, so you can have it up like that, and you can have this kickstand like this as well. Okay, now in regards to the S Pen, you can pull this kickstand off. We can just go ahead and slide this to like the side. You can see that. And then the S Pen, we can go ahead and slide that one in just like that. This S Pen is super responsive too. Definitely a lot different when I had my my Fold 2. So this one here is very smooth, very responsive. Good cutout lens for the camera lens here. You can see the charging port and the speaker and the mic. Of course, the hinge here is exposed, and also the volume rockers and the power button is exposed on here as well. Everything here fits good. And this is kind of thin. My Fold 2 with the Samsung case, it was a little bit thicker and it was hard to like swipe. Now they made it where it's just really responsive now, because I think because they made this side bezel here just a lot thinner. And let me go ahead and pull out this S Pen here. And like I said, you can see how super responsive this is. Anyway, there you go. For myself, I mean, I think I prefer the kickstand here because I watch a lot of movies and stuff. But there you go. If you want to pop this one out, you can just pop it out. Put the kickstand back in here. Make sure you push it down enough where it clamps. And there you go. Nice case.